Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A42 5G for Straight Talk. So the Galaxy A42 is now here at Straight Talk. It's available now for $299.99. So yeah, this is a new phone for Straight Talk. The model number is 426DL. So this is a new phone for Straight Talk, but this is not a new phone overall. This one's been out since I think last year. So yeah, hopefully this will have updated software on it. So so the Galaxy A42 is available in black there. This is a very nice looking phone. You guys have your teardrop notch for your front facing camera there on the front there, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. And then on the back of the Galaxy A42 is your triple camera system along with your camera flash, Samsung logo, and it looks like it has like a different color tones on the back there. Y'all guys could see that there. So pretty nice looking back there. Yeah, overall a very nice looking phone, if you ask me. I do like the color tone there. It's like black on the top and it gets lighter as you go down to the bottom of the phone there. Pretty nice touch there. And then on the left side of I think that's the right side of the phone. Like I said, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. I'm pretty sure this is the right side of the phone. I'm pretty sure it is. So yeah, so as I introducing the Galaxy A series, you need a phone that can capture share-worthy photos and video with the tap of a finger. Scroll through your feed at lightning speed and stream what you want when you want it. Outfitted with our best core features, plus some awesome innovations. Galaxy A42 lets you create, share, and stay connected without breaking the bank. So there's the phone right there, front, back, and side there. The left side I think has your micro SD card and SIM card slot. So yeah, like I said, this is a very nice looking phone. Okay. So what comes in the box is a Galaxy A42 5G smartphone, data cable, and ejection pin. I don't know if it comes with a charging brick or not. It probably don't come with one. Hope will give us some specs on the phone here, because it don't give us no specs up here. That's kind of weird. Yeah, Hyper Trade Track will fix that. Says there more features. Says memory. Hold on to your memories and make room for more with the Galaxy A42's 5G expandable storage. Battery, nothing kills the vibe faster than a low battery. The notification. Worry not with Galaxy A42. 5G's long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery and 15-watt fast charging. A versatile and easy to use triple lens camera system plus a 13 megapixel selfie cam. Get ready to let the likes roll in. Display with the 6.6 inch Infinity U display. With the 6.6 inch Infinity U Super AMOLED display, your view is massively awesome. So yeah, they don't show us the specs on the phone here. I will have the official specs from Samsung's website, so check it out to get the full specs on the Galaxy A42. I think it runs Android. I don't know what Android version it runs. It probably runs Android 11 or Android 12 right now. I'm not really sure. I think when it came out with Android 11 last year, I think, because I don't know what Android version it runs now. I'm sure it has gotten updated to the next software version that it was previously came with. So I don't know what OS this thing runs. I doubt it runs Android 12, though. I doubt it, because this one's been out for about a year now. This is a new phone for Straight Talk, obviously, but this one's been out for a year now, so it's not a new phone in general. It's an older device, so it's still a good looking phone. Is it worth $300? Maybe. If it was $200, it would be worth it if it was $200 because of the age of the phone. But $300, that's up to you if you guys want to spend $300. But it does have really good specs on it. Trust me on that. So there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A42 5G, now available at Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.